Have you ever spent $6 or $7 on a latte and thought, I wish I could make coffee this good at home? The problem is that many home espresso machines either feel too basic or too complicated, leaving you with disappointing coffee instead of cafe-quality drinks. If that's been your experience, today's review might save you both money and frustration. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Casabrews Espresso Machine with grinder, an all-in-one espresso machine designed for coffee lovers who want fresh espresso, cappuccinos, lattes, and flat whites without leaving home. With a built-in grinder, professional steam wand, and semi-automatic controls, it aims to bring the coffee shop experience into your own kitchen. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the design makes a strong first impression. The brushed stainless steel finish gives it a premium look that fits comfortably into both modern and traditional kitchens. It feels much more expensive than many machines in its price range, and the overall build inspires confidence without being overly bulky. The removable water tank is easy to access, making refills simple, while the control dial keeps everything straightforward instead of overwhelming you with dozens of buttons. Even if you're new to espresso machines, the layout feels intuitive after just a few uses. One of the biggest advantages is the built-in conical burr grinder. Instead of buying pre-ground coffee that gradually loses freshness, this machine grinds whole beans just before brewing. That small difference has a surprisingly big impact on flavor. Freshly ground coffee produces richer aromas, better crema, and a noticeably fuller taste. The 15 grind settings also give you room to experiment depending on the type of beans you're using and the flavor profile you're chasing. It's a feature that makes the machine feel much closer to what you'd find in a specialty coffee shop. Performance is where the Casabrews really begins to stand out. The 20-bar pressure system extracts espresso with impressive consistency, producing balanced shots with a rich crema when paired with fresh beans and proper tamping. The built-in pressure gauge is especially useful because it provides immediate feedback during brewing. Instead of guessing whether your grind size or tamping pressure is correct, you can actually monitor the extraction and make small adjustments for better results over time. If milk-based drinks are your favorite, the steam wand is another highlight. It creates smooth, creamy microfoam that's ideal for cappuccinos, lattes, and flat whites. While there is a small learning curve if you've never steamed milk before, the wand offers enough power to produce silky foam that dramatically improves the texture of your drinks. With a little practice, you can even start experimenting with basic latte art, making your morning coffee feel much more enjoyable. In everyday use, the machine fits naturally into a morning routine. From grinding fresh beans to pulling espresso and steaming milk, the entire process is surprisingly efficient once you're familiar with the controls. It's certainly more hands-on than a fully automatic coffee machine, but that's also part of the appeal. You have greater control over every cup while still enjoying features that simplify the workflow. Cleaning is also manageable thanks to the removable water tank and accessible grinder, although regular maintenance is important to keep everything performing at its best. Of course, no espresso machine is perfect. Beginners should expect a short learning period while dialing in grind size, tamping pressure, and milk steaming technique. Your first few cups may not rival your favorite cafe, but the machine rewards practice with noticeably better results. It's also worth remembering that fresh beans make a significant difference, so using stale coffee will limit the quality of your espresso regardless of the machine itself. Overall, the Casabrews Espresso Machine is an excellent option for home baristas who want cafe-style coffee without investing in expensive commercial equipment. It delivers fresh espresso, versatile milk frothing, and enough customization to grow your skills over time. If you're ready to enjoy better coffee every morning while saving money on cafe visits, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.